how to enable or disable Android Auto taskbar widgets on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on connected devices. You will see connected devices here, so click on connected devices. Now here, scroll down and you will see Android Auto is here, so click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, scroll down and search taskbar widgets is here. So if you want to enable taskbar widgets, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see taskbar widget is enabled. So if you want to disable taskbar widgets, so turn off this button. So you will see taskbar widget is disabled. So you will enable or disable taskbar widgets from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable Android Auto taskbar widgets on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.